Cute!
Papalinisan lang.
Balin sa sayaw. Saan kukuha ng table?
Ano ko kung may vape ako?
Papalinisan lang to.
We are here at Balin sa Sayaw sa Silang Cavite. Yeah, it's our anniversary. Kit naman dito. So parang kubo lahat. Nice.
Ano?
Okay.
Ganda dito, no?
So we're now inside this hut. Ang cute. Ito yung entrance.
Mas maganda yung mga
Tapos
house.
ay, bakit parking lot, B?
Eh, nang ano? Tanong natin kung meron.
Hindi, okay na. Baka wala lang makuhang ano. Ay. So I have my suitcase with me because I'm gonna spend the night with Mark's family. Please don't mind my lips. Magasha because of mouth sores. Because of my braces. Kakainis. Anyway, yes. Today is our first anniversary with Mark. Hi, B!
Hello.
Diba? First time ko dito. Si Mark nakapunta na daw dito. Ay! Filipino food pala, no? Presko, kahit mainit. Sobrang
Pero marami.
Oo. Anyway, sobrang antok pa ako. Kasi nga, diba? Ay, madumi ba yung lens? I'm sorry. We clean you.
Sige lang ako.
Yan. Yan. I'm still very sleepy kasi diba nga, kagabi, 3 o'clock na ako nakauwi sa bahay from Cebu. So, yun. So tired. Can't wait to eat. Let us see the menu. Balin sa sayaw. So, Mark told me, balin sa sayaw is a kind of bird. That's cool. I didn't know that. Okay. Yan, may mga package pala sila. But we're not gonna do that kasi tulang naman kami. So, yan, may bilao number 1, bilao number 2. That's nice. Appetizers, wow. Soup. Balin sa sayaw. Bird's nest pala yun.
Kuya, wala na pong bakanting kubo sa medyo.
Wala na po sir eh. Puno po
Sige, okay
talaga.
lang. Dito na lang.
Ano, B? B, pakita mo yung door. We have a screen door. B, pakita mo please. Open, close. Yes. Oh, cute, diba? Anyway, we just finished ordering. Ang dami namin in-order. Pero siguro, take out na lang natin kila mama. I have my Polaroid. So, B, mag-picture tayo.
Ay,
this is from
bakit yan?
Fujifilm. Diba? It's so cute! B, magkamukha tayo. Hindi lang sa kulay. Jo.
Ano, yun.
Oh my God, ang cute! Nahirapan ako mag-smile.
Pinakamalinaw.
Hindi pa tapos. Oh, mag-shake ka. Oh, it's so cute! Gusto mo ng kopya?
Yup.
Ayaw mo?
Joke lang.
Meron pa, Biko. Patay isa pa. Ha? Mamaya pa-picture tayo habang andyan yung pag andyan yung waiter. So cute, di ba? Ang ganda, B. Anyway,
Maliwanag.
what's up? Matagal na kanilang hindi na Hi ka.
Hello.
Sarap naman dito. After this, we're gonna go to Starbucks sa tayo.
Yep. Bi, parang ganito yung pinakailan ko sa
Ang presko, promise. Ganito kalaki?
Yung, medyo ganitong kalaki yung kubo.
May bell. Bakit may bell? Pagkatawag ka ng waiter, may bell ka? Sama naman, ginawa silang aso.
Ganito yan.
I forgot to vlog about, wait lang, yung kagabi. Annie and I were at the car park. We were heading to the airport, and then this stray dog, sobrang cute. Inamon niya yung kamay ko, tapos nakipaglaro siya sa akin. And then he ended up chasing Annie. Tapos si Annie sigaw ng sigaw. Sobrang nakakatawa, grabe. Sobrang saya. Yan lang siya, B. Ganyan lang siya kalabo. Yan na yun.
Maganda nga eh.
Cute, no? Ayaw mo ng coffee talaga?
Mamaya, pa-picture pa tayo.
Cute, no? Yay! Ayan na yung soup. Yan. So, we ordered melon shake. Kuya, anong name mo? Shawi? Hi, Shawi! Ayan. Ito yung balin sa sayaw na soup. Ano nila? Bestseller nila. Bird's nest daw siya. Thank you. Wala pa yung lasing. Okay. Yummy. So they didn't have avocado shake, so I settled for melon shake. Okay, sige nga, B.
Sarap.
Kamahal-mahal na ito.
Melon na melon.
Mahal to. Ay, oh!
Sayang yung 1 na ano. Sayang yung 50 pesos.
Okay lang yan. It's 485. Tama?
Yep.
Ang mahal.
485 ba? Hindi,
For
415?
something. Okay lang. Let's see if it's worth the price. Kasi sabi ni Mark, kinukuha pa daw sa puno? Sa bird's nest? Okay, let's see. We'll see. Okay, clean naman. Clean. Good, good, good. Okay, let's taste the melon shake if it's yummy or not. Very frothy. Oh my god, fresh beef.
Nga.
Oh, sarap. Eh, parang egg drop soup lang eh. Loko mo ba ako? Dapat nagbulot na lang tayo. Oh my god. Sarap nga.
Dun sa nido soup ng
Oo.
savory, no? Classic soup.
Next, we have appetizer. We have nilasing na hipon. Yum.
Okay lang kahit
Wow.
hindi na siya ano.
Kainin
Hindi na alisin
yung shell?
balat.
Okay na po.
Ah,
Okay na po siya. Sir.
Tapos suka to, no?
Opo.
Wow.
thank you.
Sarap. Kakainin lahat?
Yeah.
Iyon ko ng ulo. Ang galing mo yung ulo, B.
Hindi, di. Okay.
Ayoko may mata.
Pulabi.
Wow. Alabi at ayaw nila masarap.
Oh.
This is binagoongan rice.
Tuna Palawan Express.
Ano to?
Tuna Palawan
Palawan.
Express.
Tuna Palawan Express. Ah, okay, ayusin natin. Ay, galing!
Hindi, mainit pa pala yan.
Love it. Ano ulit yan, G? Anong sisig? Pork. Yan, tapos may egg. Wow. Oh my God, ang bango kuya.
Bango mo to, bro.
Wow, sobrang bango.
Kuya, meron pong... May mayonnaise na po ba yan?
Meron po siya.
Ayun.
Wow.
Every
Yay.
time kumakain kasi.
Okay, so you didn't see me pala kanina kasi silhouette lang yung nava-vlog ko. Anyway, we're gonna eat now. Sobrang sarap. Yum. By the way, these are all Filipino food. Tapos sisig. Everybody knows sisig. Oh, diba? Ayan na. Okay, we're gonna eat. Food coma. Huh? We opened the lights and I'm so full. Food coma.
Sobrang sarap lahat.
So this is what's left of our food. So we're gonna have it packed for takeout. Sarap. Food coma.
Sobrang sarap.
Next is dessert. Dessert! Blueberry cheesecake. Ay, oh. Magkano? Dali. Even the blueberry cheesecake is so yummy. Wala yata ang hindi masarap dito sa Balinsaw.
Balin sa sayaw.
Balin sa sayaw. We're here at Starbucks. This is the guilt-free cake. Guilt-free tamang no kinain. This is for Mark. This is mine. Oreo. Fat Day. Maganda sa labas, overlooking yung Tagaytay. Mamaya labas tayo, i-vlog natin. And then we have my favorite coffee jelly. And then Mark's favorite, the caramel. Ano? Caramel salted.
Salted
Yumping.
Fat day. Because she had a fat day.
Overlooking Taal Volcano. Sure ka ba Taal Volcano yan?
Taal Volcano.
Pangit naman ang video, may yero.
Yan.
Yan. Sana. Yan. Yan. Cool. I love all the green. Maraming init. Let's check out this mime. Yay! V! Hala, ang init sa tinatayuan niya.
hot or mainit?
Thank you! Ito rin. Fuzzy, morning! Let's take this in. Cronuts. We're here at the French Baker to eat early dinner. Mark. Sabihin nila, nag-vlog lang tayo pag kumakain tayo. Ha! Favorite namin si French Baker. Yay!
Sarap baitage.
Oh, try mo. Ito, this one is the cronuts from French Baker, and it's really yummy. It's better than Krispy Kreme.
Kumuha sila ano kasi alam na nabenta
Actually, hindi, masasarap talaga yung nila. Mas masarap tsaka mas mura. Try it. Sarap, no? And then I have my new favorite, which is, ay nako, chicken a la king. So yummy. This is actually my sister's favorite. Si ate may gusto ito. Sobrang sarap. And then I tried it and then I loved it. And then for the soup on the bread bowl, we have, ano ba? Chicken soup. Then soup starter. Yummy. Okay, eat na. This is what Mark ordered. Oh my gosh. Daya, ang laki ng chicken. Ang laki ng chicken nila ngayon. Daya.
Ha?